As a student, I'm gonna teach you 4 idioms that you should know. The first one is in the doghouse. In the doghouse means when someone is upset with you. For instance, for forgetting his wife's birthday, he is in the doghouse. And the second one is grin and bear it. Grin and bear it means to carry pain without complaint. For instance, as I'm not agree with your decision, still all I can do is grin and bear it with you. And the third one is old as heels. Old as heel means when something is very old and very ancient. So for that purpose, we have to use old as heels. For instance, my grandfather is old as heels. And the last one is at the 11th hour. At the 11th hour means when you have done something at the last moment, like when it is too late. So for that moment, we have to use at the 11th hour. For instance, I have submitted my assignment at the 11th hour. Thank you.